All right. Ready? Okay, so I'm Eric and this is David, and we enjoy board games, and we wanted to make a web app for a board game that we thought would be better suited for a technology interface. So how many of you guys have heard of The Resistance? Woo! So this is a web app for that, and I'm just going to join in quickly, and we got some of our friends joining in too. And it's a 5 to 10 player game, so we just need 5 to load up, and sure, let's start. So, David, you want to explain the game?
Yeah, so basically, if you don't know already, The Resistance is a game about deceit and deduction. There's a large group known as The Resistance, which everyone tries to pretend to be, and The Resistance's goal is to try to fulfill the missions that are shown at the top. So there's 5 missions, and each requires a certain number of people to pass that mission. But there's a small group within The Resistance known as the Spies, who will pretend to be The Resistance, but instead fail the missions when they get accepted on them. So, because the spies know each other, and none of the Resistances know who anyone else is, it's the goal of either team to win 3 of the 5 matches.
Alright, so we have tabs. Yo, Matthew, select some people. So, one leader is randomly chosen to go first, and they select 2 people. Are you doing that? Okay, yeah, so now, so, is it showing up for?
Yeah, that's good.
Okay, so,
So the star on the side represents who's the leader, and our friend Matthew has picked the top 2. I don't know if you can see because of the colors on the screen, but he selected the top 2 users. So basically, it's everyone else's role now to vote on whether or not they want this proposal to pass. I'm just going to assume that they're not spies. Let me just double check. Alright, no one else is supposed to see it in the game, but just verifying. I'm going to refuse that. Now we're just going to wait for everyone else to vote on the proposal, and then the results of the round should come up after that.
Oh yeah, so it's already happened. So now the people who are selected are going to go on the mission.
And as you can see, the first mission here is green, so it passed, meaning everyone who was selected to go on the mission passed it. Meaning either they're good or they're pretending to be good. So now we have a new leader, Angel, and she has to pick 3 people out of the 5 to go on the next mission.
All right, so you get the idea. So we built this in Node.js with Socket.io and
very basic CSS JavaScript front end. It's pretty simple, but our main goal was to provide an interface that would lessen some of the fumbling around that was caused by the board game version of the Resistance game.
Yeah, so the game is really good, but the problem is sometimes moving around cards, making sure everyone has the right cards and no one's making an improper move by accident can be a bit clunky. So in this application, there's no way you can make an illegal move, and everything's set up for you really quickly. So it's a more seamless experience. And some of the challenges we faced were coming up with a good design that's really simple and shows everything you need to see in a really intuitive and simple interface. It's more of a companion to the game. It doesn't fully explain the entire game because you're expected to play it with other people instead of online, because that's one of the main strengths of the game.
So just to expand on that, we're not talking a lot because they're all the way over there, and I kind of already revealed that I was a spy. But in the actual game, there's a lot of conversation and user interaction, so we try to design the game to kind of maximize how much that would happen in the game by making the rest of the game seamless.
Cool.
Alright.
Let's just finish up the game real quick.
I'm going to propose me and Jason. No bias. Oh, at X3, shit. Alright.
I think you're a spy, so I'm going to refuse that. Oh, it's still passed. Oh, but you... Oh, it failed, no. So, yeah, you get the idea. Right now the site only supports 1 room, so in the future we would like to ideally have several rooms, different games going on at the same time. Oh, the spies won. That's sad. Well, that was a gloomy end to our presentation.